It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app new update. And in this video, I will show you some of the new updates that change everything on how we source for product, how we search for reliable supplier, and how you navigate on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Fish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, or Fish, or any Chinese e-commerce website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. I welcome you to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app new update. 1688 just recently released a new update that changed everything about how we search for product, how we had a shipping address, and much more updates on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let's simply explore. The very first thing I'm going to do here is to open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. Having opened up my 1688 Chinese shopping app, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you update your 1688 Chinese shopping app to a latest version. If you don't know how to update your 1688 Chinese shopping app to a latest version, let me simply walk you through so that you'll be able to see all the new features immediately you update to a latest version. And for you to update your 1688 Chinese shopping app, click on here, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on this icon right here, the setting icon. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you simply scroll down right here. And then where you see this particular number right here, you must update to this particular version. So the current version I'm using here is 11.60.0.0. That is the latest version. So if you have not updated to this particular version, what you need to do is to simply click on here and allow the update to be downloaded and installed into your 1688 Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. Once you update into the latest version, then you'll be able to see all the new features I'm about to show you right here in this video. One of the very first features I would like to show you in this video is that if you come to the top right here, you type, let's say you are looking for bags. So you type in bags like this and hit on search. Then right here, you'll be able to see variety types of bags right here. But as far as new update is concerned right here, there is more way you can search for product with 1688 recommendation. And for you to do that, simply swipe this way. Swipe this way. And then where you see this particular 1688 right there, click on that. So this simply means that whatever products you see here are recommended by 1688 Chinese shopping app. You can scroll down and you're going to see more right here. This is one of the latest features that has been introduced by 1688. Another new features here is that if you are searching for products, you also swipe this way again, and then here you see plus member right here. Click on plus member. So here under this plus member here, you see products at a discounted price right here. So you can scroll down and check them out one after the other. The more you scroll down here, the more you see some of these products in this category right here. You can simply click on any one right here and it load up right here. Then you see there is a plus right here. And any product or sales page that have this plus sign, it gives you an advantages of buying products at a very discounted price. You can see the plus size label right here. This is another feature as far as new 1688 update is concerned. Okay, if you swipe this way again and then you see more new interesting features that you can simply explore. Let's say for instance you need a supplier under this plus sign here that can ship the product within 48 hours. Simply click on here. It will filter out and show you only supplier in this category that can ship within 48 hours of your order placement. So this is another new feature as far as 1688 Chinese shopping app is concerned. Another one I want to show you right here is this particular food icon right here. If you click on this food icon, it simply shows you all the products you have been click on any of the store link in the past. Everything is going to be displayed right here. You'll be surprised that there are some of the products you have checked on their store page for a very long time, but you lost the link. By clicking on that food, you'll be able to retrieve back some of the link right here. So the more you scroll down, the more the product is going to load up in this particular category right here. One great thing about this new feature as far as 168 Chinese shopping app is concerned is that when you are searching for products in this food section right here, and you find out the product you are looking for is no more available, like this one right here, you can see the product is no more available right here. But if you are still interested in this particular type of product right here, what you can do is to use a similarity search. Simply click on this icon right here. So when you click on this icon, allow it to scan, and it will give you variety of that same product right here. And this is another new feature entirely that was introduced and added by 168 Chinese shopping app that allow you to search for product and find similarity using this particular icon of image. That is that simple. The very last one I would like to show you here is on our dashboard. If you simply go back to your profile and back. Now here from the home page right here, there is one more thing I want to show you here as far as new feature is concerned. This particular section here has been relocated to be direct factory section. So if you click on it, it will take you to direct factory section right here. So you can see here you can connect with different types of factory in China with this particular section right here. So the more you scroll down, the more different factory is going to load up, just like what you see right here. Okay, now we can simply go back to the home page here. That is what you need to know about this particular display section right here. Okay, now the very last one I would like to show you as far as new update on 1688 is concerned. If I click on here now, it's taking me to my profile, and on my profile right here, they have relocated where you can have access to your shipping address. So from under my toolbar right here, you can see location icon. If you click on location icon, this is where you have access to some of the address you have added so far, and how if you want to add a new address, you can simply navigate it right here. It's that simple. So these are some of the new features about 168 Chinese shopping app I want to explain to you right here in this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 168 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation using 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, or any Chinese e-commerce platform, or you want me to fund your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.